ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ on behalf of Mumbai chapter ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ we welcome Mr. Gurpreet Prasicha, a founder trustee Mumbai Punjabi Chambers of Commerce, the member of PCC, the members of the board of directors, executive director Dr. Rajshri Datta, her team, Ms. Jinya, Ms. Vinita, all PCC members and dear guests to this colorful and fun-filled Baisakhi evening. So I hope you all are ready with your glass of lassi that we are going to enjoy all through this evening. Before formally we get into the entertainment zone, let's have a quick look at the journey of PCC to date. PCC is all about communication, community, creativity, all of us coming together, cooperation, and that warm jhappi that we all give to each other whenever we meet. And this is what separates all of us. PCC was established in 2017, and within a short span, we've spread across 17 chapters all over the globe. And here I would like to bring in the man behind the chamber, Mr. Gurpreet Prasicha, who's lovingly called as Gurpreet Paji. He's the founder and trustee of PCC. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a clap and welcome Gurpreet ji to say a few words and declare the event open. But wait. Okay. We cannot just welcome him like this. It has to be something special. What say, Harvinder? So here's what introducing Gurpreet ji. Gurpreet ji, please take the stage and guide us and make the event open.
Thank you, Harvinder ji, for the kind words, and to the whole team, in particular Harpreet ji in the Mumbai chapter. As you know, today is a very special day, especially for Hindus and Sikhs. Today is the new year, Navratri for the Hindus right now. And of course, it's the birth of our, in Sikh faith, the Khalsa. We are, of course, a non-religious and non-political institution, but we'd be remiss to say that we should look at the meaning behind today's day and not forget that it is really to help humanity. And towards that, we are looking at how can we as individuals give back to our society. And that's what we are here for. As we all said, "Apa nange aaye hain, nange jana." And so we are not going to take anything with us. We have to see how can we give back to our community wherever we are, whether we're in Canada, Mumbai, Punjab. How can we do something? And this is what the PCC is about. It's a platform of giving. I've said that numerous times. And this is why it was established. And I urge everyone, of course, to join the Punjabi Chamber. And we'll discuss many more things that we offer in the chamber, I'm sure, throughout this program. But for now, I want everyone to have a good time. And that's what Baisakhi is also. It is a harvest festival, as we all know. And this is the time where all the villages get together and we all have a good time and we share wonderful ideas and stories. But once again, let's think about the true meaning. The true meaning is to give back. God gives us a wonderful harvest. God gives us so many wonderful things. But the best thing we can do is to give back to humanity ourselves. So today, let's celebrate and have a wonderful evening. And I'm so proud of our chapter in Mumbai. And I'm really so proud to see everyone doing this on their own. And it really means a lot to everyone, the trustees, the board of directors at the Punjabi Chamber. And thank you and happy Vaisakhi to everyone. And let's get rocking, as they say. Let's have a good time. Thank you.
Oh, definitely, we are going to rock this evening. Thank you so much, Gurpreet ji, for making this evening and encouraging all of us here. Next, I'd like to welcome Mr. Colonel NP Singh ji, but he's been having some connectivity issues. He's joined a couple of times and he's got disconnected. So he'll join back with us in a couple of more minutes. So we can move to the next, and probably whenever he joins in, we'll have his words as well. So yes, how can the evening where all Punjabis are there can be complete without the Bhangra and the entire entertainment? So we have lots of things coming up all here. I hope you all enjoy. I would like to hand over the stage to the PCC Mumbai team members, Kanika and Pankaj. Sorry, please join in. Please come in and take the center stage, please.
So, good evening, everyone. I'm Ruchika Tandon. Happy Vaisakhi to everyone.
नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਸਾਖੀ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ
So, don't you think games add fun to our lives?
I agree with you Ruchika it indeed adds fun to our life
So, let's play some games and win some exciting prizes by our sponsors.
so please welcome Harvinder Manch and Upkaran Chawla from our Mumbai chapter.
Hi friends, we will be getting in with the housey over here. Upkaranji, are you there? Okay, I think Upkaranji has connectivity issues maybe. So quickly we'll be playing a housey. Now this housey is different from the regular housey that we play. So as you see the image on the screen, I think you would have guessed by now. So we are going to play the housey with this deck of cards. We're going to play this housey with this deck of cards. The rules are simple. There are 4 suits. So they are diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades. Okay. So typically it will form 4 different corners with 4 numbers or alphabets given to you. The game is very simple. I will be displaying a card, say like this. Okay. And so I'll spotlight my video till that time so that everybody can view my video. My name is Harvinder Singh Manch again for the record. So you can spotlight my video till that time. And as I call out the number, just strike out that same number into the suit that I call out on. Once you have the corner done, so say for example, you have the suit for the hearts done. So just either type in the chat box or unmute and say that you are claiming in for that. So we have the 4 suites, so 4 suits, so 4 numbers you strike off for that. So 4 giveaways for that, and one is for the entire ticket. So I think the rules are pretty much simple. Housey gets over a little earlier, and it's a different than we play. So each ticket has 4 cards from each suit. As I said, when your card is displayed, cross it off on your ticket. Bumper prize for the first player to cross all cards from the ticket. To claim the prize, please type yes on the chat box, unmute yourself, and you can always say what you are claiming for. Okay, I hope everyone's ready. Everyone's ready? Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up on the screen itself. Give me a thumbs up.
Hello.
If you're ready.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, could you please repeat the offers once again?
Sorry, ma'am, if you could be a little louder, could I repeat the?
Sir, could you please repeat the offers for the game once again?
I'm sorry.
Harvinder, she wants to know the rules that you just
Okay.
said.
Yeah. So
Go
each
slow. Go slow because they're a bit maybe
Okay.
you know
So
the line.
each ticket has 4 set of numbers. So 4 suits. So that is the hearts, diamond, club, and spade. Okay. Each has 4 numbers. you can claim a prize for those 4 suits individually. So there are 4 prizes for that. And then there is a bumper prize for the entire ticket. As I show the card and call out the card, please strike off whatever is being called off. Once you have the ticket done or the corner done, you can always either unmute yourself, or you can always quite type it out in the chat box and say for what you're claiming the prize for. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay. Okay, can we start?
Harvinder, I have a few people who've typed in the chat box with their numbers.
Okay.
So what do you suggest? What should we do with those participants and guests?
Harpreet ji, if we have some tickets, we can, but I think not more than 2 minutes.
Okay. I
call.
have, okay, just give me a minute then, please.
Upkaran ji is there.
These are the challenges we have when
Yes,
we
he's joined in.
are. Yeah,
Upkaran
just
ji?
give me a.
Yes, hi, I'm back. Sorry, apologies for the connection issues.
Yeah. So Upkaran ji, we'll be beginning the game in some time. If you could just take the master sheet and take off whatever is being done.
Yeah, I will be in charge.
Sure. Thank you. Harpreet, just let me know when to start.
Yes, just give me a second.
Sure.
The numbers 9163119889. Your ticket has been sent. You could just give us a thumbs up. Contact number 8837784814. Please confirm if you've got your ticket, please. Into the chat box, you could just put a yes. Contact number 808-758-1129. Could you please put in your yes? Raghav is writing not yet. So Raghav, I need to send it to you. Just give me a second. Guys, this is why, we all wanted you to register so that we could have just done everything well on time. Nevertheless, sorry guys who all are waiting. I really apologize. I need to look after my other guests. So, we're all teammates. Just give me a second, please. I think more or less we are done. I don't want to hold many people. Okay, guys, I think we are done. There's nothing more that I can do. We are good to start.
All the best, everybody.
So all the best, guys. Shall we, Harpreet?
Yeah. Big thumbs up. Go, go, go.
So we start in 3, 2, 1. So here comes out the first number, 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts. Second, 9 of diamonds. Okay. 7 of diamonds. Six of clubs. Fourth number, 6 of clubs. Oh, 6 of spade. The 6 of spade.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah. Yes.
We are playing on both tickets or only one ticket?
If you have 2, you can play it on 2, but I mean, the numbers have to be ticked off only on 1 ticket. I mean, you can claim the prize for 1 ticket for 4 numbers, but yes, you can play multiple tickets. Not a problem if you have.
In 4, I have got each number in every ticket. Spade of 6, diamond 9, heart 10,
You have to
and
put it in one group
club
in one
6.
suit. You have to get all the 4 in one suit in one group. So if it is spades, you have to get all the 4 in spades only. Then it qualifies.
Okay, okay.
So that is spades or hearts or clubs or whatever. Yeah. Shall we? Sure. So coincidentally, 6 of
Hearts.
hearts. Okay. Excited?
So it's IPL season. That's why 6 is coming all the way.
Exactly. 8 of diamonds. So a lot of diamonds going around. Jack of spade. Oh, again a jack. Jack of diamonds. Two of club. Oh, again a club. King of club. King of club. Nobody's claiming anything as yet.
Someone should
All
be
right.
claiming.
8 of hearts. 8 of hearts.
Someone sweating.
Shall I? Next number, next number, next number. 7 of spade. 7 of spade.
We're 13 numbers down. 1/4 of the deck is gone through already, guys. Buck up, buck up.
Come on, come on. Queen of clubs. Queen of clubs. Still no one claiming. Oh, wow.
They're all sweating. They'll take big
This is
jackpot
going
from
to
us.
get interesting now. This is going to get interesting now.
Yeah.
9 of clubs. 9
Hello?
of clubs. Yeah, anybody claiming?
Somebody said.
Somebody
So
said
could you
hello.
please repeat the
Harvinder,
few numbers
Right.
as our connection was?
Harvinder, can you repeat the last two digits?
Unfortunately not. I can do the last one, which was, I think, the 9 of
Nine of clubs.
If
Okay,
all
guys.
the 4 have been done at 9 from the club, that means, is it done?
Sorry. All 4 has been done from the clubs.
Can you share your ticket number?
Ukaranji, you've received the ticket? Ticket number
I
rather?
have not received a ticket number.
So is somebody claiming for the clubs? The corner for the clubs?
हाउस शुरू कर रहे हैं राजा जी मैं यहाँ पे आने जा रहे हैं अब ये निकल जाओ वहां से हाँ थोड़ा
Hello?
साइलेंट में
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
What's your ticket number?
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the few numbers, like we lost the connection, the few numbers?
So it was the 9 of clubs and the queen of clubs. Okay, is anybody claiming or shall we move ahead? Okay, since nobody is claiming, we move ahead. Upkaranji?
Yes.
So it is 9, it's J, it's Q, it's 6 in the
Jack of-
house of clubs.
Jack
No.
of clubs has not been called out.
Jack of clubs has not been done.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you.
No, sorry, ma'am. I think pay attention to the numbers being displayed, else it confuses everybody. Yeah, shall we go ahead, Upkaranji?
Yes, please continue.
Ace of spade. Ace of spade. All right. 5 of club. 5 of club. All right. 6 of diamond. 6 of diamond. Again a diamond, queen of diamonds. So queen and diamond go together, queen of diamonds. Yeah. Okay. Another club, ace of club. Ace of club. Oh, nobody claiming as yet. Wow. Jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. Ace of diamonds. Ace of diamond. Nobody claiming as yet. Wow, that's good.
Ace of diamond.
King of spade. King of spade. Okay. All right. After the king, it's the queen. The queen of spade. The queen of spade. All right. A tenor of club. 10 of clubs. 10 of club. Eight of spade. Eight of spade.
I'm sure someone is sweating by now. We're halfway through the deck.
Eight of spade. Anybody claiming? None yet? Okay. The next one. 9 hearts. 9 of hearts. 9 of hearts.
Harvinder, let's run 100 meters. Let's go a bit faster.
All right.
Thank you.
This one is again hearts. 5 of hearts. 5 of hearts. Okay. 7 of club.
Yes. Yes, 4 corners of club I have done. Just win the
Alright.
quorum research.
Oh,
If you
wow.
would please have the first
Put a
winner.
spotlight. Put a spotlight on.
Yay!
Let's
Okay,
give her a virtual clapping, everyone.
Okay.
Let's get her on a.
Thank you.
Ticket
let's
number,
Thank you.
please.
Wow.
Yes.
Could you show us your ticket, please? Put your camera on and we could see you with your ticket in your hand like this.
Okay, I can't share screen.
Or you
No,
can just give me a
you can
ticket
just show
number.
us.
That'll
Oh,
be good.
wow. We would love to
Make
see you.
my
Yeah.
screen sharing.
No, you can just pick up your ticket like this and show us. That's great. Yeah, we can see you. Great. Thank you. You're on spotlight, miss.
Your
Well
ticket
done.
number.
Ma'am, what's your ticket number?
Ticket number is not mentioned here. Ticket number
Right.
is not mentioned here.
You could click a picture and send it to us.
Yes, of course I can.
Thank you.
Sure. Shall we continue?
The
Yes,
clubs is
please.
gone.
Okay. 8 of clubs. 8 of clubs. 10 of diamonds. 10 of diamonds. Next one is 7 of hearts. 7 of hearts. Oh, the best one. Queen of hearts.
Yes, I have done. Yes.
Again. Oh, wow.
Heart again.
All 4 of heart.
She's super lucky.
Thank you. So nice of you.
Super.
Great, great. Upkaranji, shall we continue?
Please carry on.
Sure. 9 of spade. 9 of spade. 2 of hearts. Two of hearts.
Yes, all done from diamonds, all 4.
All done from diamonds.
Yes, on 2 of hearts. 2 of
Two of hearts.
Diamonds or hearts, because I called out heart a little while back. What are you claiming for, heart or diamond?
hearts one. I
Can you take it
completed
now?
diamonds earlier. I forgot to tell. You
Can
can
you
take.
give-
I'll send you the ticket right now.
Number बोल देंगे sir, ma'am.
Yeah, number is 7.
Okay.
You're claiming for heart or diamond? I didn't get that.
I said diamonds.
Okay.
I'm sending the ticket to you.
Ma'am, 4 of diamonds is not done. 4 of
Upkaranji,
diamonds.
Upkaranji, what is remaining?
In her ticket, there's 4 of diamonds, I think.
Yeah, so diamonds is done. Club is done. What else is done?
Heart is done.
Heart. So I think we only have the spade and the full house left.
So that means
Yes,
no
yes.
problem.
The
Yes.
spade and full house left. Okay. So here comes 5 of spade. 5 of spade. All right. 3 of diamonds.
3. Yes. Okay.
4 of diamonds. All right. Jack of club. Okay. 3 of spade. 3 of spade. Another spade. 2 of spade. Spade is still unclaimed.
Spade done.
Oh, you could have asked something else from God today.
ਹੁਣ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰੇਗਾ
बिल्कुल
Yes.
बिल्कुल कुछ और मांग ले
ਮੈਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੇਅਰ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਟਿਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. All right, so now we are playing for the full house ticket. Okay,
Last.
here's the next number, King of Diamonds.
Yes. Yes. Full house. Full house I done.
She's rocking. She's taken everything.
So one,
Thank
Super.
great. Come on, let's all clap.
Superb.
Everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so
ਸਾਰੇ
nice.
ਸਾਰੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾੜੀਆਂ ਦਿਓ
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਜੀ
ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ
ਦੂਜੇ
ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਰੱਖਣਾ
ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਭੁੱਲ
ਕੁਝ
ਗਏ
ਤਾਂ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰੀਏ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ
Shagan वास्ते एक प्राइस छाड़ देता उन्होंने, but otherwise, yeah, great, yeah, great, great going. Superb, awesome, yeah. It was really lovely doing this. A little different type of a housey, and thanks to the BCC Mumbai committee for doing this. Over to you, back to you, Pankaj and Ruchika.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. So today we have that wild entry with us. So अपनी महफिल ਨੂੰ और जमाने वास्ते we are going to have a wild entry.
So please welcome Harpreet Randhawa.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਔਨ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚੀਅਰਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੱਸੀ ਦੇ ਗਲਾਸ ਰੈਡੀ ਕਰ ਲਓ
ਤਿਆਰ
ਹੋ ਗਏ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ
Yes.
ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਢੋਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ
थोड़ा जा के जी बहुत सारा आएगा
ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੈਕ ਐਂਡ ਟੀਮ ਜਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਵਜਾਓ
मैम
मेरा
दीदी ने
नहीं,
हाथ
मेरा ढोल नहीं बजाना है मेरा बाज बजूगा चलो सारे अच्छा जिन्ना सारिਆਂ ਕੋਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਗਲਾਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਲੱਸੀ ਦੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਚੱਕ ਲਓ
ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਜੀ
ਚੱਕ ਲੈ
Yes.
मैम ग्लास नहीं आ गया था फिर की करना है
ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਚੀਅਰਸ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੂੰ ਜੰਗਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ
हाँ जी
हम-
मैम
हाँ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਹੁਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੇਡਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਗਲਾਸ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਨੂੰ।
ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਨਾਉਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ 2 ਗਲਾਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ 30 ਸੈਕਿੰਡਸ ਚਲੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ 30 ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਗਲਾਸ ਹੋਰ ਚੱਕ ਲਿਓ ਜਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਕਹਿ ਦੋ ਇੱਕ ਗਲਾਸ ਲੈਣ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਚਲੋ ਭਾਈ ਆਵਾਜ਼ਾਂ ਮਾਰੋ ਓਹੋ ਆਵਾਜ਼ਾਂ ਮਾਰੋ ਚਲੋ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਫੇਡ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਕਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਗਲਾਸ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਤੇ ਸਕਰੀਨਸ ਔਨ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਕੱਪ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਏ ਤੇ ਗਲਾਸ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਏ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਚੱਕ ਲਓ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਡੀਕ ਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਅੰਦਰ
Bottoms up.
मैं पंजाबी च नहीं है बोल सकती बॉटम्स अप अपने अपने आप ट्रांसलेट कर लेना हाँ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਨਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਲੱਸੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਨੈਕਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਓ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਨੈਕਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਜਰਾ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿਓ ਅਗਰ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਗਾ ਖਾਸ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰੀ ਮੱਛੀ ਅਗਰ ਲੈ ਆਇਓ ਤਾਂ
ਅਸੀਂ ਮੱਛੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ
ओहो ते की पकौड़े लेके आए प्लीज चैट बॉक्स प्लीज पा दो सारे पटियाले वाले जलंधर वाले जो लेके आए हो अपनी अपनी डिश जरा चैट बॉक्स पा दो जस्ट ओके टाइप कर दो
अमृतसरी कुलचे लेके आने चाहिए सी
हाँ अमृतसरी कुलचे चलो अपने अपनी जगह दिया मशहूर ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ डिश हैगियां ने ओदे नाम जरा चैट बॉक्स एक डिश ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਟਾਈਪ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ
I am having only this.
ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਰਨ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ
ਮੈਮ ਇਟਸ ਨਮਕੀਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਚਿੜਵਾ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇਹੋ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਇਹੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਚਲਾ ਲਈਦਾ
ਹਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਮਕੀਨ ਖਾ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਇੱਕ ਆਇਆ ਕੋਲਕਾਤਾ ਰਸਗੁੱਲਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰਸਗੁੱਲਾ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਵੜਾ ਪਾਵ ਫਰਮ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਹੋਰ ਆਈ ਜੀ ਲੱਸੀ ਤੇ ਲੱਡੂ ਸੁਪਰ ਕੰਬੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੁਪਰ ਤੇ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੈਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਲਚੇ ਛੋਲੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਫਿਸ਼ ਐਂਡ ਚਿਪਸ ਲੰਡਨ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਲੱਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲੱਸੀ ਪਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਅੱਜ ਕੋਈ ਡਿਸ਼ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਾਜੂ ਬਰਫੀ ਫਰਮ ਅੰਬਾਲਾ ਇਨ ਲੰਡਨ ਓ ਸਮੋਸਾ ਐਂਡ ਲੱਸੀ ਹਾਊ ਨਾਈਸ ਸੁਪਰ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟਿਟ ਸ਼ਿਟ ਪੜ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਉਂਗਲੀਆਂ ਚਲਾਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗੀ ਤੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਜਰਾ ਨਾ ਐਕਟਿਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਚੈਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰੋ ਚੈਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ 2 ਵਾਰੀ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੀ डाउट मैं किसी का क्लियर नहीं करांगी सारे सच बोलणगे किसी ने लिखा है तंदूरी कैंगरू ए आए ने सिडनी तो रिपू दमन तंदूरी कैंगरू
फोटो तो भेजो दी कंगारू दी
हाँ कंगारू मैं कैंगरू कहता मैं कंगारू कहना चाहिए सीगा हाँ जी चलो जी सारे रेडी हो जाओ चैट बॉक्स वाल अपनिया ओ की कहंदे ने फास्टर फिंगर फास्ट नु कौन करेगा ट्रांसलेट पंजाबी विच सब तो तेज उंगल
पहली बार उंगली
पंजाबी is all about funny language okay चलो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਸ ਨੇ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਮੀਟਿੰਗਸ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੋਟ ਤੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਸ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਯੈਸ ਤੇ ਨੋ ਟਾਈਪ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ किस ने
किरण के फोन पे कर दे तुम्हारा हो जाएगा ना इट गेट्स डॉक्यूमेंटेड
शॉर्ट्स पाके दूजा क्वेश्चन किस ने अपनी वाइफ नु कदे भी झूठ बोलिया होए या किसी वाइफ ने अपने हस्बैंड नु झूठ बोलिया होए
अरे यस पढ़ो तुसी ਇਹਦੇ ਚ
अच्छा सारे यस बोलो
ਪੁੱਛਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ
हां बिल्कुल सच
different my answer is always
चलो जी नेक्स्ट वन किस ਦਾ ਵਾਰਡਰੋਬ ਮੈਲ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਦੇ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਜਾਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬਸ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮਤਲਬ ਵਾਰਡਰੋਬ ਮੈਲ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੋਏ ਸ਼ਾਦੀ ਵਿਆਹ ਚ अपने birthday party आज. Somebody's writing not married. Oh, he's a lucky guy. Who's this? Sunny Brar. Good, good. चलो जी, next question. कोई है ऐसा आपा विचो जिसने किसी ने जूठा चमचा पाया हो कुकर विच, गेस्ट बाहर बैठे हो तो डिश दी टेस्टिंग हो रही होए, हैगा कोई? किसी ने पाया many times.
गेस्ट नाल नहीं दुश्मनां ने किता होना है भावें.
पता नहीं किसने कीता, पर कीता हैगा लोकां ने, कीता ते बहुता ने हैगा. अच्छा, कोई हैगा आपा दे विचो जिन्ने कोई फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन कलर दी टी-शर्ट पाई होए? मन नहीं कर रहा, बट पानी पै गई फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन कलर दी जो चमकदी है रात. कदे भी छुप के कदे भी पॉर्न मूवी देखी है? सोचो.
So everybody is frozen now.
That is why, because I have something hot. My MCs are going to bring in every hot stuff here, so I wanted to freeze the screen so that I could move out. Sat Sri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Enjoy your evening. Have fun.
Good morning from New Jersey.
Good morning.
Happy Vaisakhi.
Happy Vaisakhi.
Happy Vaisakhi.
Over to you, Harvinder Mataru.
Anji, I'll take a quick moment to get in Colonel Sir as well. He's keynote speaker today. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, Arvinder, I'm in.
Thank you for joining us, sir. So please guide us with some of your words.
Yeah, Arvinder, thank you very much. To everybody, firstly, happy Vaisakhi. Sat Sri Akal to everybody. It's really a great honor to be with the August gathering. Arvinder, very kind of you that you invited me on this forum.
Thank you, sir.
And Punjab Chambers is really a wonderful entity now spreading its wing all around the globe. I recall in 2020 January, I was in US, and that is where I met Gary Pasricha, the founder of PCC. And we talked about this forum in the wider sense, that how we can bring values to this chamber all across the globe, starting with few of the countries. And over a period of time in the last 1.5 years, I have seen the chamber progressing leap and bound. I'm based in Mumbai. And I think it is a wonderful mission. And on the day of Vaisakhi, to have such a function which has been organized by Harvinder when he spoke to me day before, it was a wonderful idea. So I thought, I think we'll pitch in the fun and frolic. I'll quickly give a small background of mine, that I'm a retired colonel from the Indian Army, paratrooper and commando. I was in special forces and also telecommunication. Postgraduate from IIT Bombay and chartered engineer. So I had a wonderful stint along with the part of surgical strike, which is very common for the people who fight on the border. So I think I had a wonderful stint, and Army got me sponsored into IIT Bombay, and it was quite proud privilege working with them. Commanded Army Software Development Center, the various stations, 33 years of service, and then I retired in 2006. After retirement, I settled down in Bombay because of my post-graduation, which I did in Bombay. So there was a job opportunity came up with a diamond company where I was taken as a president. And then subsequently, I had follow-up strings with different type of companies, spanning from construction to infrastructure, real estate, financing. And then I raised a company, Israel, a technology company for the same group of company. I was heading 5 verticals. And that is where I come from. Presently, I have international and national assignments with Abu Dhabi government, with Panama government, and which Harvinder knows about it. Plus, I have got my own consultancy company to the high net worth individuals across the globe, where we talk about resettlement scenario to the youngsters and those who are close to the resettlement, and making sure that 100 years of the generations are secured, fully invested in one different parameter, which is very unique, which I have designed along with in a combination. So these are the small things what I do.
Thank you.
Your list
Thank
of
you, Colonel
achievements
Saab.
are so great, sir.
Your list of achievements are so great that
great.
you know it's
Thank
going
you.
to take us the
We'll
whole
need an entire
evening
day
to
for
hear
it,
you
actually.
out. Yeah, and it's fantastic.
I was also given a charter by Harvinder that I'm also supposed to do one of those fun things. So then I've chosen for myself a small couplet or a song.
Sure, sir.
Because
For
the
that-
talent show is coming, sir. So
Sir,
we'll
the talent show is
jump in
coming.
there.
You'll have to wait. Yeah, just hold on into the gallery there, and we'll get you in for your talents.
Yes, sir.
So I'm glad there is a break on that. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir. Thank you.
Carry on.
So over to Ruchika and Pankaj, please take over the floor.
थैंक यू हरविंदर सो वो महफिल की जिथे पंजाबी इकट्ठे होण ते नचना गाना ना होवे है कि नहीं so friends it's our time for PCC talent show and here is our first performance the first performance is by Puneet from Mumbai chapter.
Thank you, Pankaj. So I'm going to sing one Punjabi song, and it's not a folk song, but I think so I'll be able to. Don't go with my voice, but it's really a funny song, and I really love singing, at least when you have such kind of occasions.
We all are with you.
Okay,
ਸਾਡੇ
thank
ਨਾਲੋਂ
you.
ਵਧੀਆ ਹੀ ਗਾਓਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
पता नहीं उनकी है पर आवाज नहीं है बट आई हैव अ बैड थ्रोट आल्सो बट है कि समझना चाहिए सबनों बस मजा आना चाहिए किसी भी तरीके नाल राइट
हाँ जी
ओके थैंक यू हरविंदर थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी अज सरे बाजार हो गया दिल दा एक्सीडेंट अज सरे बाजार हो गया दिल दा एक्सीडेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट अज सरे बाजार हो गया दिल दा एक्सीडेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट ओ जा रही सी अगे अगे ओ जा रही सी अगे अगे मैं साइकिल पीछे दौड़ाया अगों मिल गया उसदा डैडी मैं बड़ा घबराया गली गली मैं पुछदा फिरदा बन गया लूसी वेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट अज सरे बाजार हो गया दिल दा एक्सीडेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट लोग ते देंदे रूम किराए लोग ते देंदे रूम किराए ते रेंट 40 लैंदे असानू मिलदा दिल दा क्वार्टर द्वारे सानू पैंदे असानू मिलदा दिल दा क्वार्टर द्वारे सानू पैंदे गली गली मैं पुछदा फिरदा बन गया एलिफेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट अज सरे बाजार हो गया दिल दा एक्सीडेंट जाना सी मैं रेड फोर्ट ते पहुंच गया मैं कैंट डार्लिंग पहुंच गया मैं कैंट थैंक यू
ਵਾਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੁਨੀਤ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੱਟੇ ਚੱਕਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ
विश यू ऑल अ हैप्पी बैसाखी
सेम टू
सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक
Very well sung, ma'am. So here we have our next contestant, Preeti Sharma.
ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन, ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ। ਐਂਡ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫੋਕ Song ਗਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਸ਼ਨ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ। ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਈ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਆਲ ਆਫ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਅਨਮਿਊਟ yourself and participate with me and enjoy yourselves as well. So song is ਜਿੰਦ ਮਾਹੀ ਬਾਜ ਤੇਰੇ, ਐਂਡ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਏ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਆਈ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰੋ so that we all will enjoy together. ठीक है? वो जिंद माही बाज तेरे, ओए वो जिंद माही बाज तेरे, ओए वो जिंद माही बाज तेरे कुमलाइयां, वो जिंद माही बाज तेरे, ओ तेरियां लाडलियां, ओए ओ तेरियां लाडलियां पर जाइयां मेला वेखण, ओए मेला वेखण कदे ना आइयां, हो जिंद माही बाज तेरे, एक पल पै जाना, ओए हो एक पल पै जाना मेरे कोल तेरे मिठड़े, ओए तेरे मिठड़े लगदे बोल, बल्ले 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 बल्ले, थोड़ा चेयर अप करो यार।
ओए ओए
ओ जिंद माही जे चलियो, ओए ओ जिंद माही जे चलियो पटियाले बोलिया भी, ओए शमीनाले अद्धे चिट्टे ते, ओए अद्धे काले एक पल बह जाना, ओए बह जाना मेरे कोल तेरे बिछड़े, ओए तेरे बिछड़े वे लगदे बोल, बल्ले 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 बल्ले, ओ गेणिए तू साग तोड़ दी, ओ गेणिए तू साग तोड़ दी, हाथ डार के, ओए हाथ डार के गदर भी गेणिए तू साग तोड़ दी, बल्ले 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 बल्ले। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Let's have a round of applause for Preeti. Very well sung, Preeti.
Super, super.
Okay, so we have next performance from Sunny Brar from London. So Mr. Sunny, you there? Mr. Sunny, you are there? Okay,
Sorry.
so
Sorry,
yes,
I'm
Sunny.
He's there.
sorry, I'm just receiving a work call. I'll
Yeah.
be unmuted in 5 minutes. I should be. Thank you.
He needs
Okay.
5 minutes, Pankaj.
Okay, so let's move on to the next performer, Mr. Surinder B from Ludhiana. So we have Surinder B from Ludhiana.
Well, I am audible.
हाँ जी,
आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
आवाज आ रही है
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, आवाज आ रही है।
ਓਕੇ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਆਸਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਮਸਤਾਨਾ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਗਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ, ਬਟ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਦਾ ਜਸਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਪਰ ਫੀਲਿੰਗਸ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਸਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ। ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰੇ ਛੱਡ ਜੰਜਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ, ਆਹਾ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ, ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰੇ ਛੱਡ ਜੰਜਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ, ਆਹਾ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ, ਹੋ ਕਣਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕਣਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਘਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਰਕਤਾਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਮੇਰਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੂੜਾ ਨੀ, ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਚੜਾ ਦਿਆਂ ਚੂੜਾ ਨੀ, ਉਹ ਰੱਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਈ ਆਹਾ, ਉਹ ਰੱਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਈ ਮਾਲਾ ਮਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ, ਆਹਾ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ, ਹੋ ਤੇਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਕੂੜ ਸ਼ਤਾਬੀ ਨੀ, ओ तेरा रंग है गूढ़ शताबी नी, ले पकड़ संदूक दी चाबी नी, कोई सूट तो कट गुलाबी नी, पातिले दी गुरगाबी नी, ओ ले बूटियां आहा, ओ ले बूटियां वाला रुमाल कुड़े मेले नू, आहा मेले नू चल मेरे नाल कुड़े, हो मेले ते पंगड़े पावांगे, मेले ते पंगड़े पावांगे, ते रल के मौज मनावांगे, कोई पींग प्यार दी पावांगे, ते बह के उथे खावांगे, लड्डुआं दा आहा, ओ लड्डुआं दा लेके थाल कुड़े मेले नू, आहा मेले नू मल चल मेरे नाल कुड़े, हो थैंक यू।
Wonderful, sir.
Wonderful जी, की गल है तुसी ते फट्टी चकते
फट्टी चकते
Okay, so the next performance is
Surinder
from
ji, your voice is also justified.
अरे यार बना देना, बोल दिया 2 बार। हाँ
बोला।
Okay, so the next performance is from Shweta Gupta from Mumbai. So Shweta, you there? Okay,
Pankaj,
so Sunny, you
not there, you can please move ahead.
okay? So and what about Sunny? Sunny was going to get back to us in 5 minutes.
So Sunny is also not there.
Okay, so shall we move forward?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so moving on to our next segment. So Ruchika, you know who is our today guest as a celebrity guest? Do you have any idea on that part?
No, Pankaj. Who is it?
Okay, so let me give you a hint. You have to, you have to just guess who is that person. So the guess is Louis over here. Any idea?
Binoculars.
Yeah, good. Try further. Yeah, Ruchika, so?
Durbin?
Yeah.
You mean
bingo.
Durbin? Oh,
yes, bingo.
awesome.
We have Omkar Narang from Durbin Band.
Wow. So here we welcome handsome and dashing Omkar Narang, who's going to rock the party tonight.
So please welcome Omkar Narang.
There he goes.
Hello,
Put him
everybody.
on a spotlight, guys. Put him on a spotlight.
Hello, everybody. Happy Vaisakhi. Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ।
Kalji.
So it feels great to be here. Like, first of all, thank you, Sonu Chachi. आपने मेरे को इन्फॉर्म किया, बताया इस मीटिंग के बारे में, इस इवेंट के बारे में. Yeah, it's something a very wonderful initiative, I would say. So yeah, first of all, thank you for all the love that you have given to the song Lamborghini. And this welcome was also very overwhelming for me. And thank you so much for that. So yeah.
एक हो जाए सरप्राइज है सीगा कि ਇਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੋਨੂ ਚਾਚੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਇਹੋ ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਭਤੀਜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ I feel so proud to introduce Chintu Omkar to you guys, everybody. So it's really overwhelming for me to get him in front of everyone, present Omkar to you, Durbin. So let's jig together.
Yeah,
some few lines from you.
Few lines from Lamborghini.
Yep.
इश्क दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोहणीए, दिल मेरा कढ़ के ले गई नाल सोहणीए, तेरे पिछे लगे होया साल सोहणीए, मान जा यूं ना सता, कर गैरा नाल जद गल्लां, दुख दा है दिल मेरा चला, किन्ना तड़ पावे सोहणीए. ਫਿਰ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ ਲਵਾ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਤੱਕੀ ਜਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਲੈਂਬਰਗਿਨੀ ਚਲਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਝੂਟਾ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਜਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ I hope you liked the
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Virtual. Otherwise we would have
Everyone,
felt you.
please clap. Please
Awesome.
clap.
Everyone is writing for you, Chintu. Wow. You're
thank
getting
you
a
so
lot of
much.
clap. Yeah.
Thank you
So
so much.
maybe you could do a little Prada if you're good to go on a virtual platform for us. Maybe a little
All right.
mashup.
ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਵਾਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਪਰਾਡਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਲੱਭਣ ਦੂਜਾ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਵਾਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਪਰਾਡਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਲੱਭ ਲੂੰ ਦੂਜਾ So yeah, this song was beautifully sung by Shreya Sharma and we had Alia Bhatt featuring in the video, so it was a great collaboration and it was something I never thought of and it felt really great.
Anybody who wants to ask any question, anybody who wants to talk to Durbin?
Harpreet ma'am, now since we know that Onkar is so very well related to you, we will not let you guys go with a virtual treat. Next time we want a physical party.
फिर इंदर पे तेनू इंडिया आना पड़ेगा दोबारा या मैनू लंदन आना पड़ेगा
कर लांगे किते ना किते कर लांगे ऑर्गेनाइज
है ना अगली मीट ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਚ ਲੰਡਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਯੂ ਹੋਸਟ ਅਸ
I'm planning for that.
Great. So lovely to have you, Durbin.
Pleasure.
Us. Thank you very much.
I have one question.
Yes.
Na keda paya Durbin?
ਕਾਲਜ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਾਲਜ ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦਾ two people so ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ ਗਾਣੇ ਵਾਣੇ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਤੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਾਮ ਵੀ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਈਕਡ ਮੀ I was sitting ਰਾਤ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਸੀ 3-4 names ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ I thought suddenly it struck me like Durbin and then we gave it a thought like it's the meaning that we had was ki it's like we had this far vision about the music that we make so we are basically like those binoculars we can just make people get the idea of those visions and the kind of concepts that we have so we are like those binoculars I would say
A very unique name.
Thank you so much.
One thing Omkar I would like to ask you one thing I always wanted to ask that Punjabi singers okay हम लोग देखते हैं कि पंजाबी के जितने भी गाने होंगे हैं ना उन्हां च कार दा नाम बड़ा होंदा है जगुआर ले लो लंबोर्गिनी की खास गल की है
I think it makes the song exciting young generation they also connect also keeping in mind the compositions being folk it goes to the mass audience so I think it's something that has been thought and usi hisab se like I think we have to think from the commercial aspects ki sab relate kare so I think that's one of the reasons we thought
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ऐसा लगता ਸੀ ਕਿ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੰਗਰ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਫੜ ਲਓ ਉਹਨੇ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ
and I think the reason is like we for Lamborghini song we were also trying to make a hit song so these are like different kind of ideas methods to break through the industry and sound more catchy I would say
थैंक यू थैंक्स अ लॉट ओंकार आपका गाना कोई ऐसा मैरिज नहीं है जहां पर आपका गाना नहीं बजता है थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर कमिंग एंड शोइंग अस एंड वी रियली एंजॉयड योर कंपनी थैंक्स अ लॉट
thank you so much for having me thank you so much
everyone please one round of applause for Omkar Narang
thank you so much please take care bye
bye
Thank you.
Okay ji so here we are done with our were part of games and fun and talent so thanks a lot before we move on to our passing to our Harpreet I just want everyone to give a big lot of applause for all the participants ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਲੀ ਵਜਨ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਦੀ. Can we just have everyone? ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਪਾਏ ਨੇ, ਜੋ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੋ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਸਭ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਸ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੈ. So please, I would like to wish happy Vaisakhi again to you, all of you, and thank you. And moving on, passing on to Harpreet.
Thank you, Pankaj. Before we close, I need to give a vote of thanks. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of celebrating Vaisakhi virtually. Let me first of all start by giving a glory to the Almighty Vaheguru for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank Mr. Gurpreet Pasricha, especially because he showed trust and gave us a go-ahead. Yeah, I have confidence, you go ahead and do it. Despite his busy schedule, he has found time to grace the occasion and is still logged in with us, although he's driving. I also express my heartfelt thanks to all trustees, board of directors, chairs, co-chairs of various chapters, participants, and members of the chapters. My heartfelt thanks to the admin team of PCC, the executive director, Gina and Vinita, who have given us so much of support in such a short span of time. We were able to, arrange this program for you all. This event would not have been successful without the support of our sponsors, Dadi Ki Panjiri, Pioneer Honey, Pooja Bhargava, Dolson Jewels, EduPro Learning, and Vinspire. Last but not the least, the members of PCC and the guests who enthusiastically participated in all activities of the event. Kudos to you all. Let's all give a big virtual clap to the core team of Mumbai chapter who worked relentlessly to conceptualize and curate this event. I request everyone to switch on their cameras and give a virtual clap to the Mumbai chapter team and the admin team of PCC for putting up this event together for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, I would request if anyone wants to speak to Onkar, we've already done that. But then I am so glad that, before we sign off, if you can put in your comments, or if somebody wants to say something, we would love to hear from you and then sign off. So we could, Hanji.
Pankaj here. So our keynote speaker was, wanted to sing. So if you can just confirm,
yes. Is he there?
Yeah, thank you very much. It is privilege to sing two lines quickly. Thank you very much.
Yes.
And thanks for remembering. So only thing is, I'm short of Punjabi songs, but I'll give in Hindi. Okay, you have to bear with me. First two lines for occasion. हे आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया ये कितनी हंसी है, हे आती रहेंगी बहारें, हमने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह सब नाचे मुस्कुराए, हमने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह सब नाचे मुस्कुराए, गाते रहे हम खुशी हो या गम, चलती रहे ये जिंदगी, हो आती रही गी बहारे. Thank you.
Thank you. I would request if any of the participants and members of PCC sitting here would like to say something as an encouraging note to the team, Mumbai chapter team, we would be very happy to hear from you.
Harpreet ma'am, I just want to say something. First of all, thank you Mumbai chapter for organizing such a great event. And thank you, Gary ji, for providing us such a platform where we are connecting with our Virsa, with our community. And I would like to say one thing, what you have done today evening, I would like to contribute more and more events on this platform so that as a community, we should always be together. Thank you so much and happy Vaisakhi to all of you.
Happy Vaisakhi to you.
Happy Vaisakhi.
Anyone else? All right. I think there are a couple of सारे ने थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखा होया chat box पंजाबी विच भी लिखा होया है. I think time हो गया है. 1 घंटे दा सी time लिया सीगा ते असी 1 घंटे विच खत्म कीता अपना program. Pankaj, Ruchika, you want to close?
Harpreet.
Yes. You want to close?
We already thank Ruchika. Will you please?
Yeah, I thank you everyone for attending this event and making it a successful one. And I really appreciate our keynote speaker, Mr. Cornell. You sung really well, and you graced the event with your wonderful voice. And yeah, I hand it over to Pankaj. Would you like
Thanks,
to add
Ruchika.
anything?
Sure, thanks Ruchika. सारा तो बहुत फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल धन्यवाद तुसी आए बहुत चंगा लग गया एंड हाउस मैंने एक चीज का खाली दुख रहेगा कि काश मैं एज ए नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल जॉइन एज अ गेस्ट और मैं हाउसी गेम खेल सका बड़ा मजा आया थी आई वाज मिसिंग कि काश मैं भी खेल सकता उस पासे होके ज्यादा मजा आंदा मैं सब बुलाया सो बहुत धन्यवाद हाँ जी
मैं कार्ड्स काटता पिया सीगा so next time I will hand it over to somebody else.
So thanks a lot Harminder ji and Karan ji for successful planning of the housey game, and thanks a lot to everyone for showing up. Thank you. Happy Vaisakhi.
Happy Vaisakhi to everybody. Thank you so much.
3 cheers to PCC.
Yeah.
Hip,
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
3 cheers for Mumbai chapter. Hip hip.
Hooray. All right.
Hey, who's that? Hey, Mumbai, you rock, Mumbai, we rock.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, you rock today. Thank you very much, Mumbai chapter.
Happy
The best team.
Bye, take care.
Good
And
show.
Again.
You put up a very high standards today, Mumbai.
Yes,
Come back stronger the next time. Bye, guys. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
You could leave, you could sign off. We are still the host. We stay back. You, all the guests, you could sign off. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Datta.
Yeah.